Hi guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. And thank you so much guys for always coming here to watch my videos. My new subscribers, welcome. And my OG, I love you so much. Guys, it's Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Right now it's around 6:30. It's heading to be 7. Of course, I'm so tired, but I thought let me just come here and update you on my pear trees. On my pears, look, these are the pears I'm updating about. Guys, the pears are ready. I'm telling you, they are so crunchy. And I'm sitting here in my backyard. I'm just sitting under the pears. Guys, can you see? I'm touching the pear here. I can literally grab a pear from here. You see, I'm grabbing a pear and I eat. So I just grabbed one pear right here from tree right here. I'm going to wash it and I'm going to eat. Guys, we are making progress. I cannot believe how much these pears have grown. There's so plenty, guys. We have 2 trees of pears. Let me see if I can turn the camera. I hope you guys can see. Let me see. We have 2 trees. This is one of the tree here, and over the other side, over there is another tree right there. So these pear trees, and yes, this is me sitting here. Yes, sitting here on my pool chair. This used to be my pool chairs, guys. Remember, I used to have above the ground pool over there, but I don't have that pool anymore. It was so hard to maintain. So, oh, guys, something. So I don't have that pool anymore. But these chairs or pool chairs, they're here with me. I have around 4 or 6 chairs, but we use these chairs actually to sit here in the backyard. One is here. See, I'm using it under my pear trees. I'm using the tree, and more chairs are here. So everybody, even if I have guests, they can just put chairs and then chill out here. Okay, they can chill like me. So I'm enjoying these pool chairs, and I'm enjoying the pear trees, and I'm sitting under the shade of pear tree. So what I wanted to tell you, this is July, and I remember I told you these pears will be ready towards the end of June. That's when we were starting to eat these pears, and literally these pears are ready. So right now people are eating these pears right here. They're so huge, humongous, and the good thing with these pears, they are so sweet. It's like you're eating sugar. You know, they're so crunchy. Oh my goodness. You know, and me myself, I like the pears when they are crunchy, like this ones, when they're juicy. I like them when they're juicy. When they get ripe, I tend to make smoothie. So I cannot wait for us to start making our smoothie, guys. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. But I just wanted to let you know, guys, the pears are ready. If you live here near to my home, or you know me, comment below so that you can come by and get some pears, because they're ready. We're eating them. Oh my goodness, it's like every day I have to eat more pears. And actually yesterday when I went to work, I had to take some pears to my co-workers. So the thing is that when you go to work, you can just bring whatever you have and put in the lunchroom, and people can enjoy. So my pears was so huge, and people started asking, who brought these pears? And I was like, it's Moto Lifestyle, it's me. So people enjoyed it. And I have a couple of you guys come to my house. Thank you so much for those ones who come. I don't want to say their names, but they were here, and they had their pears here. I'm going to turn the camera so you can see a little bit. So they were here. Let me turn the camera here. You guys who are here, you enjoyed the pears. Look. I don't know if my camera is dirty. It's not doing justice, but literally I'm sitting down here, and these trees are like pending all the way down. And also you can see another bare tree. Let me zoom it for you. This is right there. You can see plenty of pears. They are so ready. Oh my goodness, excuse me guys, they're so ready. Oh my word. And it's so warm out here, guys. It's so warm. But I thought, well, I don't know if this sun, because guys, it's getting to be 7. I don't know, the camera may not for y'all, but y'all, hey, I wanted to let you know that the pears are ready, and we enjoyed the pears. and I'm enjoying the shade. Look at that. I'm just literally sitting here. I don't know my eyes because it's so windy. I have my sunglasses here. I don't know if I should wear my sunglasses because I feel like the windy is going into my eyes. Guys, what do you think? What do you think? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we eat these pears? My goodness, guys. Let me know if you have any kind of fruits in your backyard. And if you do, what kind of fruits that you have in your backyard and what kind of fruits that you like. You know, I used to have another house. This is the house that we moved here some years back, but I used to have my first house. Also, we used to plant, we planted actually apples. Can you imagine? Sometimes when I pass by that house, I see my apples because you know when you move, you can move with your house, so or you can move with your fruits. But I still have my apples there, and I'm so happy about my apples because my apples are helping whoever purchased that house. So they're enjoying the apples. But I went ahead and I planted these pears. So it's like they have apples there, and I have my pears. And if I ever wanted to go there and knock the door and say hello, I used to be the owner of this house, and these are my pears in backyards. Here, do you want me exchange for you pears and you give me apples? I can do that, but I don't want to do that. It will look weird. But I'm so glad that I have been able to plant, you know, something, and people are really eating this pears. So I'm gonna wash this pear so that we can eat together. I know. Let me wash it because I have water here. I came here because I'm sitting here. I came with this bottle of water I've been drinking because it's so warm out here. So let me go ahead and wash this pear so that we can enjoy. Enjoy. Let me wash it. Let me wash it, guys. La 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 la. Oh well, guys. I'm sorry. The camera is on the floor. I was washing the pear. It's done. Wow, look at it. I just washed the pear. The pear. Let me just take a bite. Ah, my goodness, guys, it's so crunchy. It's like I eat everything here. There's nothing I'm gonna throw away. Ah, I cannot believe, like Moto Lifestyle, you're eating your pears this year. Every year, I'm telling you, every year, and you know, the month of towards the end of June and July, we harvest plenty of pears from here. We harvest a lot of pears, and for those ones who have tasted my pears, you can testify like how sweet these pears are. How really sweet, huh? I'm telling you, they're so sweet. Like a day, I can eat like 5 of the pears. I know, I don't know if it's recommended, but sometimes I can eat so many pears. I'm so sorry, guys, for my camera because I want you to focus on me at the same time I focus on the pears. So I wanted to let you, like, officially we started eating pears. Guys, you saw these pears growing. You saw them. I kept making videos giving you progress, how the pears are doing. And I told you towards the end of June and July, we will be eating these pears. And sure enough, we are enjoying the pears. Wow. Mm. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Hmm? Let me know what you think of this. I'm enjoying it. See? And the thing is, these pears have not done growing. They are going even to get bigger, bigger. Like they're going to be huge. And I'll be making a video for you. Give them a 1 month, no, maybe 2 to 3 weeks from now. You will see how humongous these pears are going to turn to be. They are going to be so huge, like a pumpkin. Well, they're going to be so huge. So, guys, I just wanted to update you that the pears are ready. We're eating. Yes, we're eating. And if you live here near me, if you want me, I don't know if I can ship to you pears. Because, guys, these pears are so plenty. I cannot finish by myself. Even if I share with friends, I don't think I'll finish. But when they get ripe and when I'm start making a smoothie, I'm pretty sure we are going to eat plenty of these pears. But for now, from my backyard, I thank you so much guys for watching this video, and make sure you comment. Let me know if you have pears in your backyard. My backyard is not that big, but for sure enough, it can produce these humongous pears right here. Okay, it can produce all this. I have 2 trees and they are producing like crazy. So I'm so thankful to God. And guys, if you have not subscribed to Moto Lifestyle, go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you like the videos, you share the videos, you tell people about this girl here, Umoto Lifestyle, from East Africa, Kenya, but now she lives in the US, and she is doing pear farming. It's a small, we can call it small scale farming in our backyard, and she is enjoying it, every bit of it. Okay, guys, I love you so much, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I'm popping another video from here to you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.